I'm Howie at HDM3D. I found an item on Thingiverse that I thought would be handy. It's thing number 2130569, made by Realrenshai. It's the Wanhao i3 tool holder. I printed this on my i3 Duplicator Plus using the eSun Blue PLA. This print took about 5 hours and turned out great. If you watch the whole video, I have a time lapse at the end so you can see it build. It turned out great. Like I said, I apologize for the fan noise. I have the Ender 3 printing next to me, and the fan noise picked up quite a lot on the microphone. Anyway, happy watching. Okay, my tool holder has finished printing. Looks like it printed well. Printing on the Wanhao Duplicator i3 Plus. Everything looks fantastic. I haven't removed it from the build plate yet. This design is from Thingiverse. It is thing number 2130569. I'm going to butcher this name, but it's Realrenshai. Realrenshai. Kudos to him. I printed both types of tool holders, as well as the bucket holder, which I think I'll find handy. I've got tools just laying everywhere. So I think mounting those up here will help me out a lot. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to take them off the build plate, and I'll show you what's done. I'll also include the time lapse of the build. For some reason I couldn't YouTube live this video. Was also working on my Ender 3 here, and I think it took the YouTube resources from me. Alright, thank you. Using a spatula that I got with the Filament Friday kit that was given to me as a gift by my dad. It's got some great stuff in it, really. Matter of fact, there's the glue stick that came with it. This spatula is really handy. I was using just a standard scraper. But this one really gets in there and pops the items off. I've already loosened these, so they're already off. But yeah, those work great. Here are the pieces. They turned out amazing. I printed them without supports. In the orientation that the STL file, I already had them in. I used Simplify 3D for slicing. Like I said, they're perfect. There's no stringing, no layered attachments. Really great. Good quality. Shout out to the maker. Oh, I've installed them and added in some tools. I put them all on one side because I've got my Raspberry Pi mounted on this side. I may move that just because there's not quite enough room for, like the scraper here doesn't fit exactly perfect. And I just don't have enough room there. Or I may print a whole other set and mount them over here. Anyway, good print. It took, I think about 5 hours to print, but that's not uncommon for this quality of print. Great job. for watching. I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, please subscribe. That's up here. Over here. And like, which is the button down below there. You can also ring the bell down there to get notified anytime I make any other videos. I have many other videos on my channel, mostly live streams of things that I print. Lots of cool stuff. I design a lot of things on Fusion 360, parts and gadgets, and I'll live stream those a lot. For some reason, the live stream didn't turn out on this print, so I've showed the time lapse, and I hope you enjoyed that. I have many other videos on my channel of live printing as well, and you can watch those like right here. If you have anything you'd like me to print, just comment below. Any kind of comment, whether you like the video or not, or tell me what you want me to print. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Let's 3D print everything. See ya.